Triple Series launch at the Mercedes-Benz plant in Sindelfingen. Successful ramp-up of the facelifted S-Class, Mercedes-Maybach S-Class, and the EQS. Mercedes-Benz is celebrating the successful ramp-up of 3 of its new top-end models, the S-Class, Mercedes-Maybach S-Class, and EQS, at its Sindelfingen site, together with representatives from local politics. The successful launch of series production for 3 models within 3 months demonstrates the high level of skill and performance of the Sindelfingen workforce. Thanks to maximum flexibility, all 3 top-of-the-range models are produced on a single line at Factory 56, regardless of whether they are fully electric or feature a modern high-tech hybrid drive. Production volumes can be adapted quickly and flexibly to market demand. With this threefold ramp-up, the company is once again underlining its clear commitment to Germany and to the region as an industrial location. Factory 56 at the Mercedes-Benz plant in Sindelfingen continues to serve as a prime example of highly flexible, digitalist, and innovative production. Through continuous investment in innovative manufacturing technologies and efficient processes, the company is sustainably strengthening the site's competitiveness and making a significant contribution to securing and developing jobs in the region for the long term. Factory 56 Assembly Hall. Flexible, digital, efficient, and sustainable. Factory 56 embodies the future of production at Mercedes-Benz and has been setting new standards for the automotive industry since its opening in 2020. In the 2 tech lines, the traditional assembly line has been replaced by automated guided vehicles, AGVs. A total of more than 400 AGVs are in use at Factory 56. In addition to these innovative production technologies, artificial intelligence and the Mercedes-Benz operating system, MB.OS, are utilized in the hall. All assembly stations are integrated into MO360, the digital ecosystem of Mercedes-Benz production. This means that all production data is accessible to every employee in real time via the MO360 data platform. Local for local, the electric drive components of the new EQS come from the Untertürkheim plant, 20 kilometers away. As a global company with more than 30 plants worldwide, Mercedes-Benz fundamentally pursues a local-for-local strategy. In particular, the local production of powertrain components such as traction batteries is a crucial element of meeting global demand for electrified vehicles flexibly and efficiently. For instance, the high-performance battery of the new electric EQS is produced at the battery factory in the Sindelfingen section of the plant. The Untertürkheim plant supplies Sindelfingen with the electric drive unit as well as the axles. A logistical advantage arises from short transport distances. The electric drive components manufactured at the Untertürkheim plant are transported to Factory 56, some 20 kilometers away, and delivered there directly to the assembly lines as required and flexibly using automated guided vehicles. Employee skills as the key to a successful ramp-up. As with any new model, part of the preparatory phase for the model update was devoted to training staff for their new roles. This includes training in the use of AI-driven applications, which will support production processes in future. Modern, ergonomically optimized workstations and the innovative blue sky architecture, which allows staff to work in natural daylight, simplify daily routines while saving energy. Support from digital applications and automated processes complements the workflows and contributes to an efficient and attractive production environment. Sustainable production with a holistic approach. In line with Ambition 2039, Factory 56 is designed to be carbon neutral one in terms of its carbon footprint and boasts significantly reduced energy consumption. This is made possible, among other things, by its innovative energy concept featuring a photovoltaic system, a direct current network, and energy storage based on reused vehicle batteries, fulfilling exclusive customer requests thanks to the manufacturer offering on-site. Once customers have configured their dream car at the Center of Excellence in Sindelfingen, individual components of the vehicle are manufactured at the on-site manufacture facility using intricate precision and handcrafting. In the new manufacture studio, they can then experience firsthand how the vehicle is fitted out according to their individual wishes. Both locations combine craftsmanship, attention to detail, and state-of-the-art manufacturing technologies to bring individual or even bespoke vehicle dreams to life. The innovative matrix production system in the manufacture studio enables the flexible customization of up to 20 vehicles per day, regardless of the model range. Mercedes-Benz anniversary year, 140 years of innovation. Since Carl Benz filed the patent for the first automobile 140 years ago and Gottlieb Daimler built his motorized carriage shortly afterwards, Mercedes-Benz has dedicated itself to constantly innovate and to create the world's most desirable cars for customers. This ambition has driven every innovation, from the world's first automobile in 1886 to today's intelligent and safe electric vehicles, like the all-new GLC and the award-winning all-new CLA. With the new S-Class, the company continues the biggest product launch program in its history. With its passion for performance and pioneering power, excellence, and an unwavering commitment to customer service, the brand has consistently shaped the future of mobility. The result goes well beyond engineering achievement. It creates the unmistakable feeling that leads through everything Mercedes-Benz does. Welcome home. Mercedes-Benz is celebrating 140 years of innovation by driving 3 new S-Class saloons on a transcontinental journey to 140 locations worldwide. Each place highlights the brand's technology, heritage, pioneering spirit, and worldwide presence. Along the way, customers, fans, and colleagues will get to join in the celebrations. On an epic adventure that will run until October. Follow the 140 years. 140 places, drive across 6 continents on our 140 years of innovation Mercedes-Benz media, special, and via the Mercedes-Benz community.